Hi everyone. So today we're going to create a game in Scratch. Okay, the game's name is Avoid the Laser. Right now, this is a very simple game but very fun game. In that, I'm going to take a very simple background. Let's see, I'll take the neon tunnel. Don't try and take too scattery background, take a very simple one. Now, here I will need two sprites. One sprite is the ball sprite, which we have, and the other sprite is the sprite that I'm going to draw. Now in the draw sprite, I am going to take a line tool. I'm going to draw a red color laser. I'm going to draw a red color laser with the outline of, let's say, around 20. And I'm going to draw a straight long line like this. This is going to be my laser, right? It is always a good idea that whenever you finish drawing your line, kindly attach it to the center so that it turns properly. Now I have my two sprites. I'm going to name this as laser. Right? Coming to the code. Now, the basic motive of this game is that the laser is going to continuously keep moving, and I have the ball, a ball will move with my mouse, and I have to keep avoiding it. Now, the laser is going to move left and sometimes right automatically, right? So, to do that, I am also going to put a variable called score so that I can keep my score of the game. So, we're going to create a variable called score from the variable section. Now, for my laser sprite, or for my ball sprite, I'm going to do when green flag clicked. We're going to take a forever command because I want to do this continuously till the game doesn't end. And I want the ball to go to my mouse pointer. What this will do is it will allow me to move my ball wherever my mouse is going. See, it's basically moving my mouse. Therefore, I can control the ball. Now, coming to the laser sprite, I'm going to do the code. When the green flag is clicked, I want to reset my score to 0 every time I start the game. So I'm going to go in the variable section and take a set score to 0. Secondly, I'm going to take a forever loop and I want to start rotating my laser. Now when want to start rotating the laser, I want to make it rotate from right to left and then basically clockwise, and after some time automatically I wanted to shift it to counterclockwise to make it more interesting. So here I'm going to use a repeat command 200 times, and I'm going to say turn clockwise 5 degrees. Now what this is going to do is it is going to make my laser turn around, right? Now after that, after it turns 5 degrees, I want to increase, after it repeats it 200 times, I simply want to change my score by 1, which means I get a point, and then I want to change the direction of it. So I'm going to take another repeat command for 200 times. You can even duplicate your previous command. And I'm going to now turn anti-clockwise 5 degrees. If you feel the laser is small and it is not, uh, the sides are getting this thing, we'll just change the size of the laser to 200 so that you cannot cheat, you cannot go away from the corners, right? So I've increased the size of my laser to 200. Now, after it turns, again, I want to get a point because every time it is now going to be repeating this action continuously. So, if you see now, you'll be able to see my laser move clockwise first, and then all of a sudden, without any warning, it is going to start turning counterclockwise, right? So, you don't know when it is going to turn, and this is going to keep repeating forever because we have the forever command. Now, for the game end, how does the game end? When the ball touches a laser. So, for that, we are going to be taking an if condition in the ball sprite and say that if my ball is touching the laser, I want to stop stop everything. So I will go to control and take a stop all command. So this basically stops my entire game. All right, I think our game is ready. Let's try and play. So we're going to start like this. We wait for it, wait for it. We got to be careful because it's going to start turning soon. And I got out. All the best. Do try it out and let me know how you liked it.